Hello friend, let us look one more example of linear equation. This is in word form. By reading it, we have to convert it in linear equation. So first we have to read what is problem. Okay. Present age of Anu and Raj are in the ratio of 4 by 5. Means Anu and Raj age present age in the ratio of 4 by 5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5 by 6. Find the present age. So, they are telling about the two ages, current age and age after the 8 year. So, present age is 4 by 5, means Anu's present age is 4x and Raj's present age is 5x. And in this second line they are telling 8 year from now the ratio of their ages will be 5 by 6. So 4x plus 8, 5x plus 8, this will be the second line equation. So now they are telling after 8 year their ages will be 4x by 8 plus 5x by 8 is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. So this is the linear expression for the age after the 8 year. So transfer this value here and this value here. So 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8. So solve this equation. So 6 into 4 is 24x, 6 into 8 48, 5 into 5x 25x, 5 into 8 is 40. Transfer this value here, this value here. So 48 minus 40, 25x minus 24. So 25x minus 24 is x, 48 minus 40 is 8. So x is 8. So this x will give us the value of present age and age after the 8 year. That is present age is 4x. So 4 into x, that is 32 year. Present age of Raj is 5x, 5 into 8 is 40. Age after 8 year, that is 32 plus 8, that will be 40. And 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. So this is the solution of linear equation. So here we have to read what is problem very carefully, and according to that we have to write our equation, so problem can be easily solvable. Let us see second example of linear equation. Here equation is little bit in complex form, so equation we will reduce by making some changes. Let us see. So we will transfer this 8 here and 3 2x plus 3 here. So 8 x plus 1 3 2x plus 3. So 8 into x is 8x, 8 into 1 is 8, 3 into 2x is 6x, 3 into 3 is 9. So 8x and 6x. So transfer this 6 here, transfer this 8 here. 8x minus 6x and 9 minus 8. 8x minus 6x is 2x. 9 minus 8 is 1. So x is here 1 by 2. This is the answer. So today I have shown you two examples. First is this and second is this. So If you have any query related with these two example or similar example, you can write it in comment section, or you can directly mail me. I have given my email id in description link. You can mail me. I will definitely try to solve that problem. And finally, I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like it and share it. Thanks.